Hey guys, so this is Need for Speed. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to remove my BMW's eyebrows.
Eyebrows?
I don't know, what are these called?
Eyelids, I'd say.
Eyelids. Right, so you just take them here and just pull as hard as you can, basically.
Basically that was good enough, so you can just continue. I'll just take over my channel. So go for it. So we're finally doing it. It's been overruled, guys. Nobody likes the eyelids on the E92, so I'm finally taking it off. Well, he's taking it off.
Already half done.
Yeah, like we have no heat gun or anything to like loosen up the glue or anything like that, so just old school string, and
muscles.
raw muscles, guys, and I don't know, hopefully it'll work.
It's working grand.
You know, it's weird, like as much as I don't like how they look, I'm gonna miss them. Do you know what I mean?
Nope.
No. And maybe it's just me being weird.
They gotta put tape here.
Yeah, it's double-sided taped on.
No, right here.
Oh. Whatever you do, man, just don't break it.
Man, it's my car anyway.
Oh, by the way, we swapped cars, guys.
I'm leasing it to you.
Yeah. I'm taking his 320. He's taking mine. Can you walk through us the technique you're using?
Not really. Basically, four ply. What's that, string?
Yeah, and just like
just cutting it through.
That's
and
basically
that's
it.
It's all. It's gone.
It's off.
Yep.
Oh, I'm so excited.
You didn't use tape. Or you did, yeah.
Yeah, it's double-sided tape. Oh, it looks so much better, man. Don't you think?
Actually, a lot better, yeah.
Yeah, so much better.
So much better.
Oh, guys. Fucking hell. Should have done that ages ago. Right? Looks so much better.
Anything. You can wipe that off now.
Yeah, I just clean off the glue. It looks so much better. Like, I didn't mind how they look when I had the headlights off, but with the halos on, they just look stupid, I think. Anyways, we'll get the second one off and then we'll show you the final result. Alright, mate, what you think of the result?
Oh, it's very good.
Oh, yeah?
Cleaned up my car.
Just one question for you, yeah?
Yeah.
Why do you keep sitting in my car?
What are you on about? My car, pal. Do you want to finish your video or what?
Yeah, I am.
Go home.
I'm finishing it.
Well, go home if you don't want to.
Jesus. What is this? Man, turn off my car.
I need to go.
I know, turn off my car. I'll finish my video now.
Go on then, hurry up.
Alright, guys, so car has been sabotaged by this absolute lunatic. Just keeps dreaming about owning my car. Anyways, we got kicked out of the previous car park for some reason. But here's the final result. So much cleaner, so much better. I found out the cause of fogging up my headlight, if you guys can see that. A tiny crack in the headlight. Anyway, she looks so much better now, yeah? What you think, Sauce? Do I get the thumbs up?
Yeah. Can I go now?
Yeah. I'll just see you. Just don't drive her too hard. Mad bastard.
Alright, see you later.
Go
see you
on.
in the next video, yeah? Call me when you need the car.
Go on, see you. Oh, she sounds nice.